Locate the two C-shaped face frames. Line up the holes on each face frame and connect them using two large screws. Make sure the dovetail grooves are on the outside of the 90-degree angle that is created by the face frames. Start out with the face frame down and apply a bead of glue into the dovetail groove. Set the face frame up. Locate your front side panels and slide them into the face frame using the vertical dovetail grooves. Locate the cabinet floor and slide it into the parallel grooves on the front side panels. Make sure it slides into the grooves on the face frame. Slide one of the back side panels into the groove of the front side panel. Make sure the holes are inward. Secure the front side panel to the back side wall using large screws in the designated screw holes. Place shelf clips into the holes on the inside of the cabinet, lip side down. Then place the shelves on the clips and press lightly down until the shelves click into place. Slide the last remaining backside wall into the cabinet. Secure the final side wall to the cabinet with large screws attached to the wall using designated screw holes. Slide the back wall into the inner back slide lips between the two back side panels. Secure the back side panels to the back panel using large screws in the designated screw holes. Take the cross beam that has the V-shaped notch in it and place it at the top of the cabinet. Use 3 metal clips to attach it to the cabinet. Attach the back of the cross beam to the back of the cabinet using 1 metal clip. Then attach the V-shaped notch to the face frame using 1 metal clip on each side of the face frame. Place 1 corner bracket in each 90-degree corner of the inside of the cabinet. This will secure the face frame and the front side panels to the back side panels of the cabinet. Secure them with 4 small screws each. Place 1 metal clip on each side of the inside face frame. This will attach the face frame to the floorboard. Attach 2 metal clips using small screws to each panel in the floorboard of the cabinet. The clips should be attached to the bottom side of the floorboard. Connect the toe kicks at the bottom of the cabinet against the 2 front side panels. Then secure the toe kicks to the floor of the cabinet using 2 metal clips. Use 4 small screws per metal clip. Be sure the toe kicks line up with the square notches on the front side walls. Attach the hinges to the cabinet. Make sure the hinges fit snug against the face frame. Attach the hinges to the cabinet via the front side panels. Each hinge will require 4 medium screws. Attach your hinges to the door using 2 medium screws. The hinges should fit into the cup on the door.